Ay, dyan na lang nila ito.
You're a freebie. Thank you. It's working properly. The only problem is, madaling matanggal yun dito. Yan. I'm not sure kung may mali ba akong ginawa o talagang ganyan lang siya. What will be the solution for this? Anyway, i-review na.
Biglang umano ko. Ayun na.